Welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study. We will habituate our habits by reading this. Okay. Present perfect continuous tense. I, we, you, they plus have been plus before plus object. And he, she, it singular name plus has been plus before plus object. वह तैरता रहा है. He has been swimming. He has been this. He has been swimming. वह सोचता रहा है. He has been thinking. He has been thinking. वह रेडियो सुनती रही है. She has been listening a radio. She has been listening a radio. वे पढ़ाते रहे हैं. They have been teaching. They have been teaching. वे सोते रहे हैं. They have been sleeping. They have been sleeping. वे झगड़ते नहीं रहे हैं. They have not been quarreling. They have not been quarreling. वे बीमार रहे हैं. They have been ill. They have been ill. Turning the page. वह दुखी रही है. She has been sad. She has been sad. वह प्रसन्न रहा है. He has been happy. He has been happy. वह लड़ता रहा है. He has been fighting. He has been fighting. वह परिश्रम करता रहा है. He has been hard working. He has been hard working. वे संघर्ष करते रहे हैं. They have been struggling. They have been struggling. वह कपड़े धोती रही है. She has been washing clothes. She has been washing clothes. वह आलसी रही है. She has been lazy. She has been lazy. वह चतुर रहा है. He has been clevering. He has been clevering. Next, वह भोजन बनाती रही है. She has been cooking food. She has been cooking food. वह तैरता नहीं रहा है. He has not been swimming. He has not been swimming. वे 4 बजे से दौड़ते रहे हैं. They have been running for 4 hours. They have been running for 4 o'clock. वर्षा 1 सप्ताह से होती रही है. He has been running for 1 week. It has been running for 1 week. वह खेलती नहीं रही है. She has not been playing. She has not been playing. वह सुखी रही है. She has been happy. She has been happy. वह क्रियाशील रहा है. He has been active. He has been active. वह सोमवार से बीमार रहा है. He has been ill since morning. He has been ill since morning. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Please repeat again.